Hello and welcome to AI Automation Avenue. I'm Noble Woods, founder of Eve Pacific Media. Today, we're diving into how AI can revolutionize your marketing strategies, making them more effective, efficient, and profitable. So, whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or just someone curious about the future of marketing, this video is for you. Let's start with data analysis. Did you know that 90% of the world's data has been created in the last 2 years alone? That's a staggering amount. AI can sift through this enormous data pool faster and more accurately than any human ever could. AI can identify patterns and trends by analyzing consumer behavior, purchase history, and social media interactions. For example, an e-commerce business can use AI to analyze customer data and predict which products will be in demand next season, allowing them to stock up accordingly. This isn't just theory. Companies like Amazon are already using AI-driven data analysis to optimize their inventory and personalize the shopping experience for millions of customers. Next, let's talk about personalization. We all know that personalized marketing messages are more effective. In fact, according to a study by Epsilon, personalized emails can improve click-through rates by 14% and conversion rates by 10%. AI takes personalization to the next level by analyzing user data to predict their preferences and behaviors. For example, Spotify uses AI to analyze your listening habits and recommend new music you'll love. This kind of personalization can be applied to any business. Imagine being able to recommend products to your customers before they even know they want them. At Eve Pacific Media, we help businesses implement AI-driven personalization strategies that can significantly boost engagement and sales. Automation is another game changer in the marketing world. AI can automate repetitive tasks such as email campaigns, social media posting, and even customer service interactions. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency. For instance, chatbots powered by AI can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and freeing up your team to focus on more strategic tasks. According to a report by Salesforce, businesses using AI for automation saw a 27% increase in efficiency. At Eve Pacific Media, we specialize in setting up AI-powered automation systems that streamline your operations and enhance productivity. Now let's look at predictive analytics. This is where AI really shows its power. By analyzing historical data, AI can accurately predict future trends and behaviors. For example, Netflix uses predictive analytics to recommend shows and movies based on your viewing history. This not only keeps users engaged, but also reduces churn rates. In marketing, predictive analytics can help you anticipate customer needs and tailor your campaigns accordingly. For instance, if you know that a customer is likely to purchase a product soon, you can target them with relevant ads and offers, increasing the likelihood of conversion. At Eve Pacific Media, we use predictive analytics to help our clients stay ahead of the curve and make data-driven decisions. Content creation is another area where AI can make a significant impact. Tools like GPT-4 can generate high-quality content, from blog posts to social media updates, helping you maintain a consistent online presence without the constant need for human input. For example, AI can analyze trending topics in your industry and create relevant and engaging content for your audience. This saves time and ensures that your content is always fresh and up to date. At Eve Pacific Media, we use AI-powered tools to help our clients create compelling content that resonates with their target audience. All these capabilities lead to greater cost efficiency. By automating tasks and making data-driven decisions, you can allocate your resources more effectively, reducing waste and maximizing ROI. According to a study by McKinsey, companies that fully implement AI into their operations can see cost reductions of up to 20%. At Eve Pacific Media, we help businesses harness the power of AI to improve their marketing efficiency and profitability. Imagine cutting down on manual labor costs while increasing your marketing effectiveness. AI makes this possible. There you have it. At Eve Pacific Media, we specialize in integrating AI into your marketing strategies. As a digital marketing and AI automation agency, we provide tailored solutions that enhance your marketing efforts, making them more efficient and profitable. Whether you need help with data analysis, personalization, automation, predictive analytics, or content creation, we've got you covered. Ready to revolutionize your marketing with AI? Contact Eve Pacific Media for a consultation. Visit evepacificmedia.com to learn more about our services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for watching. Continue to embrace AI with us and transform your business. Until next time, keep innovating and evolving.